Steam download cache can help in scenarios where there are issues with download speed, stalled downloads, or if you're experiencing problems with verifying and updating game files. Here's how you can clear the Steam download cache.
First, click on Steam. Click on Settings. Click on Downloads. Press Clear Cache. This will clear your local download cache and restart Steam. You will need to log in to Steam again. Do you wish to continue? Press Confirm. Wait for Steam to restart. Now launch your game.